Welcome to my Halloween food series. On tonight's menu is shrimp cocktail zombie brains. This will be a 15-part series, so please subscribe if you would like the best Halloween recipes. Start by combining 3/4 of a cup of Clamato juice and 3/4 of a cup of water. Sprinkle on 1 packet of Knox gelatin and allow to sit 5 minutes to allow the gelatin to bloom. Turn on the heat and bring to a simmer. Add half a lemon juiced and half a teaspoon of salt. Set aside to cool. Next, line a plastic brain mold with plastic wrap. I found this one on Amazon. Using 2 pounds of shelled and deveined cooked shrimp, layer with the rounded part facing down and the tail facing up. Continue layering until you've reached the top. Using a piece of cardboard, cut to fit the top of the mold, then wrap with plastic wrap. Pour your cooled gelatin mixture over the shrimp, then place on the cardboard cutout. Refrigerate 5 hours to allow the gelatin to set. Once set, flip over and remove the brain mold and plastic wrap. I'm serving mine over a mannequin head I previously decorated. Refrigerate until ready to serve, and serve with a side of toothpicks and cocktail sauce for your guest to pick at and eat his brains. Enjoy!